In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to merge clip in CapCut. Firstly, import two clips you want to merge in CapCut. Drag the first one onto your timeline and then import the second one. Once they are both on timeline, you can proceed. Let's say you're removing green screen. Head over to Cutout and Chroma key and select Chroma key to remove green screen from one of clips. Now it's time to merge these two clips. Adjust the position of size if needed. To merge them, select both clips, right-click on them and you will find the option to create compound clip. Click on that. Your clips are now merged in one, and you successfully matched them in CapCut. It's simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you!